First of all, I would like to wish you all a happy Diwali and a prosperous new year. It is belated. Thank you. And till today, for last 2 years, I am taking talks here. Till today, I have talked only about Vat, Pitta, Kaf. What is your Prakruti? What is your Sar? What should be your Dinacharya? What should be your Rutucharya? Today, from today onwards, I would like to go into some details. First, we'll start with some herbs or the medicines which we use in Ayurvedic herbs which we use in our Ayurvedic practice. So I would like to introduce you to a set of herbs which you should also know about. And these herbs are found everywhere all over our country, and you should know the importance of that herb. And I'm going to show some photographs also, so you can also identify those herbs at your place. And then if at all, you can also use them for your health. So what is this herb? This is a very common herb. Everyone has seen this or eaten this. This is we call it amalki. Amla, the Sanskrit word is amalki. It's also called as Indian gooseberry. The part of the plant which is used is the fruit. Normally fruits of amla are used, and there are different preparations. What are the actions? It is Vayasthapan. Vayasthapan is I'm going to tell you the different characteristics of those herbs as they are given in the texts. Like Bhav Prakash Nigantu is a book where each and every herb is explained in different Sanskrit verses. So we have done we have taken out the important points and prepared this PPT. So Vayasthapan means a medicine or a herb which prevents aging, anti-aging you can say. So it is full of antioxidants and it is anti-aging. So Vayasthapan, to stop the age where you are now, avoid further aging process, is Vayasthapan. So Amla, the most important characteristic it is Vayasthapan, prevents aging. Medhya means any herb which helps your central nervous system or the nerves is also called as Medhya. So it is boosting the central nervous system. Vrusha, nourishing the reproductive system, is called as Vrusha. Then is Daha Prashaman, soothing for burning sensation. Daha is the burning. Daha means burning. So the burning may be at any place, wherever you feel burning. Sorry. It may be in your palms or in your soles. It may also be over the whole skin. It may be in your eyes. It may be per anus. It may be while passing urine. So any burning sensation in our body, this amalki, if it is taken in proper doses, or a medicine which is prepared out of amalki or amla, like Triphala is a preparation. So this will help to remove or to reduce the burning sensation. So Daha Prashaman is one of the characteristics of amla. Then comes Chakshusha. It is good for eyes. Amla, along with its other two components of Triphala, Bheda and Harda, it is good for your eyes. So Avla is one of the ingredients. It is good for your eyes to maintain the vision and also to avoid the cataract. And also for people who are suffering from diabetic retinopathy and all, also amalki helps to maintain the vision. Otherwise it goes on deteriorating even after taking the medicines. Jwar means fever. Jwar is a Sanskrit word for fever. It is antipyretic. What are the preparations of amla? Everyone must be knowing the common preparation is Chavanprash. Chavanprash has maximum amla into it. I'll tell you the proportion. What should be the ideal proportion of amla in 1 kg of Chavanprash? If the amla is of this big size, 100 amlas will give you 1 kg of Chavanprash. So when you're buying Chavanprash, next time you should first find out whether it is amla Chavanprash or whether it has potatoes and sweet potatoes into it. Because 100 amlas will give you 1 kg of Chavanprash, and even after taking half spoon of that such a Chavanprash, you will feel after an hour you will feel very hungry, and after a month you will feel glow on your face. So that would be an ideal Chavanprash. So they will not be obese. Feeling hungry means in Ayurveda there is a concept of Agni. For any person who is fit, the Agni has to be Prakrut. What do you mean by Prakrut Agni? You should feel hungry when it is time to eat. So if you're not feeling hungry when it is time to eat, it means that is Agni Mandya. It may be Visham Agni, that you always feel like eating or you never feel like eating. That is also is wrong. So what this Agni Vardhan, or anything that is going to improve your Agni, is a product which will help to feel hungry only when it is time to eat. 3 times a day. Breakfast, lunch and dinner. That is early lunch, early dinner. Chavanprash, then Brahma Rasayan. Brahma Rasayan and Dhatri Rasayan. These are in all the 3 preparations. Amla is 80% ingredient is amla, 80 to 85%. Brahma Rasayan is a preparation which works very well on HIV positive or person who are gone into AIDS. Brahma Rasayan helps a lot to improve the CD4 count. This is a proven fact. To improve the CD4 count, which goes low in the HIV patients. Brahma Rasayan helps a lot. Though it is sour, does not increase pitta. This is the characteristics. And how is it used? It is used in the form of swaras. Swaras is you take amla, crush it and squeeze it and take water out of it. That juice can be taken 10 to 20 ml and the powder can be taken 1 or 2 grams. Though sour does not increase pitta. This is the characteristics of amla. So amla is very well available in the market and everyone has seen it. So it was a known herb. What is this? It is a preparation like Chavanprash, but the ingredients are different. It is in the form of leha. Ingredients are different. Ingredients keep on changing. This is different. This is a different another herb. Can you recognize this herb? Question answers will keep later on. I'll first finish with my presentation. You note down your questions. Do you recognize this herb? Have you seen it somewhere? This is also a common herb, which is Arjun. These are the sticks. This is the bark which is used. Cover of the bark. Arjun. Again, say it properly. You must have seen it before. This is the Arjun. These are the barks of it. The stem bark is used. The part which is used of Arjun is the stem bark. It is a cardiac tonic. It is a diuretic, and it is also helps in diabetic ulcers, to heal the diabetic ulcers or diabetic wounds. Arjun helps a lot. What are the actions? It is Ridya. It is a cardiac stimulant. That is Ridya. Then Bhagna Sandhankar. It aids the union of fractures. So Arjun also helps in union of fractures. So when you get a fracture, you should also take Arjun or different preparations of Arjuna so that the fracture heals properly. Vrana Sandhan, heals the wounds without a scar. So if there are wounds like diabetic wounds or big wounds or big ulcers which are not healing after taking recurrent medicines, Arjun preparations help to heal them faster. Then Trishna Nigraha, people who always feel thirsty, keep on drinking water. This tendency of getting thirst, that is Trishna, is reduced by taking Arjuna. Udarda Prashaman, that is urticaria. Udarda is a type of urticaria. Udarda, Sheet, Pitta and Coat. These are the different urticarial rashes which you get on your skin and a scratching sensation. So this Udarda Prashaman means it helps to reduce the urticarial rash. Preparations made up of Arjuna. Okay. Then comes, this is Ashwagandha. This is a fruit. This is how the plant looks like, Ashwagandha. Ashwagandha, what the part which is used is dried mature roots of Ashwagandha are used. I have shown you the plant, but this plant is not used. The roots are used. Dried and mature roots. These are such big, thick roots. They are dried and they are used. Ashwagandha. Not leaves. Roots. Leaves have a different use, but roots are specifically used. These are the uses of roots. It is Ati Shukral, Vajikar, anti-stress. And what are the actions? It is Rasayan, that is rejuvenating. Vajikaran, that is aphrodisiac. Balya, increases the strength. Medhya, boosting the central nervous system. Brihan, it tonifies the muscles. And Vrishya, it nourishes the reproductive system. Preparations of Ashwagandha. A person who wants to put on weight can take ashwagandha very well. Who wants to tonify his muscle, instead of taking protein powders prepared by different pharmaceuticals, ashwagandha can be taken in a pure form, powder form, with hot milk. That will, because it has